Hola, my name is Aida Lugo McAllister, author of Ida's Kitchen a lo Boricua, a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook. I am going to demonstrate how to prepare hot chocolate, chocolate caliente, a recipe from my cookbook. During the winter months in Puerto Rico, we experience cooler temperatures in the evening hours. Hot chocolate was served with pieces of Edam cheese before bedtime. What a treat! I have here two different brands of sweet chocolate bars. One is Goya, the other is Cortés. Cortés is a very popular brand in Puerto Rico since 1929. It is the biggest chocolate producer in the Caribbean. You purchase the brand of your preference. Food history. The cacao tree is native to Mexico. It was first domesticated in South America from the Amazons. I read that the beans in the pods are known as cacao, but after the fermentation process, they are referred to as cocoa beans. Let's first cut 2 ounces of Edam cheese into small pieces. Edam cheese is a Dutch cheese. It is the second most important cheese in the Netherlands. Edam is semi-hard with a fat content of 40%. It has a sweet, mellow, nutty flavor. The exported version has a round shape and it's covered with a red wax casing. After removing wrapping paper from cheese, make a small slit on top with knife. Lift the red wax casing and remove with your hands. Cut Edam cheese in half. Cut Edam cheese into small pieces. We are ready to start preparing the hot chocolate. 1 sweet chocolate bar will make 1 cup of hot chocolate. Since I will be making 2 cups of hot chocolate, let's place 2 sweet chocolate bars into the saucepan. Pour 2 tablespoons of milk and melt the chocolate bars over low heat. Once the chocolate bar starts to melt, stir with the spoon until the chocolate bars are fully melted. This takes approximately 2 to 4 minutes. The chocolate bars are completely melted. The melted chocolate has a rich, dark color with a silky and shiny consistency. We can now pour 2 cups of milk. I use skim milk, but you can use whole milk or evaporated milk. Stir until the milk and chocolate are well blended. Bring the hot chocolate to a boil for approximately 2 minutes. The hot chocolate has been boiling for 2 minutes, so let's reduce the heat to low. Give it a quick stir, and the hot chocolate is done. In Puerto Rico, we add small pieces of Edam cheese into a cup, and then we pour the hot chocolate. I am ready to taste the hot chocolate. The hot chocolate has a rich chocolate flavor, even made with skim milk. After drinking half a cup of the hot chocolate, then we scoop up the melted cheese with a spoon. Here's the melted cheese. Awesome. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare hot chocolate. Chocolate caliente. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.